Hello, beautiful children. My name is Renee and I teach children's ministry at St. Luke's.
And I'm Miss Grace.
I'd like to welcome everyone from St. John's, St. Luke's, St. Peter's, St. Philip's, Emmanuel, CHS, and Christ Church. Do you know that even though I might not have met many of you, we are all part of God's wonderful, wonderful family. And that's why we call each other brothers and sisters. I hope that you have a wonderful day and that you share some wonderful time with us.
Hello,
Hello.
I'm Justin and this is
Kate.
Kate. Yes, are we going to sing a song?
Yes.
What song are we going to sing? The Golden Rule.
Yes.
Yes, how about that?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
God said to us, the golden rule is love, and so we love one another like He loves us. God said to us, the golden rule is love, and so we love one another like He loves us. So we love, 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 love one another. Oh, we're gonna love like Him. Gonna love, 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 love one another. Oh, we're gonna love like Him. Again. God said to us, the golden rule is love, and so we love one another like He loves us. God said to us, the golden rule is love, and so we love one another like He loves us. So we love, 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 love one another. Oh, we're gonna love like Him. We're gonna love, 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 love one another. Oh, we're gonna love like Him. Next part. Love is the greatest, love is the highest, love is the way of Jesus. Love is the greatest, love is the highest, love is the way. And so we love, 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 love one another. Oh, we're gonna love like Him. We're gonna love, 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 love one another. Oh, we're gonna love like Him. Oh, we're gonna love like Him. Oh, we're gonna love like Him. Well done. Thank you.
So here we are on a farm where they grow grapes. Did you know who the first person was to grow grapes? It was Noah. He planted the oldest vineyard on record 8,000 years ago. There were a lot of these farms around where Jesus was living, and our story today takes place on a farm like this one. It's a parable or a story that Jesus told. At the moment it's still winter and the vines are bare, but when winter turns to spring, little green shoots will appear. And by the time the sun has shone down through summer, these branches will be heavy with fruit that needs picking.
The story Jesus told was about a father who owned a farm just like this one. He also had 2 sons. The father wanted to harvest the fruit himself with help from his sons. He must have cared a lot about his farm. Listen to the story and you'll see what happens next.
A story about 2 sons. Here is a man. He grows apples in an orchard. The apples are red and rosy. It is time for them to be picked. At home, the man has 2 sons. I want you to help me to pick the apples, says the man to his first son. No, says the first son. I'm busy. But after a while, he is sorry for what he said. He picks up a basket and goes to the orchard. The man finds his second son. I want you to help me pick the apples too, he says. Yes, says the second son. I will come as soon as I have put on my boots. Back in the orchard, the first son is busy picking apples. Look, he has already filled one basket. Well done, son, says the man. Here is another basket. We'll have this done in no time. They work together until all the apples have been picked. But there is no sign of the second son. He has forgotten his promise. Who do you think pleased his father? The first son or the second son? Jesus says, what we do is more important than what we say.
Well, that was a fantastic story. I wonder who really pleased his father. Was it the son who said the right things? Or was it the son who actually did the right things and went to pick those apples? Now, do you know that there were two groups of people listening to the story that Jesus told? Just like those two sons in the story. On the one hand, there were these leaders from the temple. They thought they were so important and they always said the right things. On the other hand, there were these people who were, well, I don't really have a word for them, but nobody liked them. They always said bad things. So I wonder, who really loved Jesus? Who really followed him? Who really did what he asked them to do? I wonder how we might know.
David, please can you tidy this room?
No.
Ben, you really need to tidy this room.
Yeah, sure, Mom.
Faith minus actions equals nothing.
Also, our challenge this week to you is to learn a dance called Jerusalem. That's right, Mika Grace. It's a fun dance to do. You can get absolutely everybody involved. And please ask moms, dads, or caregivers to take a video of you dancing and to send it to your children's ministry leaders so that they can upload it onto the website. The website. You know what else we'd love? We'd love to see pictures of your pets. How many pets do you have, Mika Grace?
3.
3. And what are their names?
Sinclair, Mary, and Chloe.
And what kind of animals are they?
1, 2, 3 dogs.
They're dogs. And you know what? If you send us pictures of your pets, we will send you pictures of
Our
Mika.
pets.
Oh, that's right, of our pets. We'd love to see all the different types of pets that there are. I'm sure there's some interesting ones, aren't there?
Yes.